crew, LTC, Latin Stand Up. And this is my second time recording this video. My mic was off the first time, but today we're gonna be making a TDF type beat, or I'm gonna be breaking down a TDF type beat. This is like a blueprint religion type beat, old TDF, really groovy, a lot of synths and a lot of pads and leads. So first we're gonna start with the basic stuff, the foundation, the chords. This is just a little pad preset from Hive, and Hive is a really good thing, or really good VST for these beats, because it has a ton of synths and pads that you can use. And this one is Easy Chord Gate, and this is what it sounds like. Really groovy, I like it. Next we got these like plucky synths from Xenology. It just adds to that pad from earlier. And here's a preset, sequence 4 in Xenology, and here's what it sounds like. And next we got this pad from Expand. Here's a preset, cloud number 9, and here's what it sounds like. And it's just the same thing. And here's why I wanted to add that pad, because here's what it would sound like before the pad is just a little empty. And here's what it would sound like with the pad. It just fills in those empty spaces. And that's why I added the pad. But next we got this lead from Hybrid. Here's the preset, singing filter lead, and that's in the soft leads. Next, we got another preset, or another thing from Hybrid. Here's the preset, throaty lead, pause. It's in soft leads. And here's what it sounds like. And it's just the same thing. And next we got this little thing for Purity. Here's a preset. It's just 8-bit score solo. And it just adds to that other lead that I was playing earlier. It just, at the end, it just makes it sound a little louder. Here's what it would sound like together. Just makes it a little louder. Next we got this from Xenology. It's a little solid. It plays 2 patterns. Here's the first one, but here's a preset CC Solidity too. Here's the first. That's the first one, and here's the second pattern. And that just repeats on the other side. And next we got the Pretty Bells from JV 1080. If you know, you know. It has 2 patterns as well. Here's the first one. And here's the second one. And next we got the drums, and for these we just did the standard TDF hats. So you just want to do a 2-step pattern all across, take out notes in between, add notes in between, and just mess with the velocity, and there you got it. And also I added the classic delay, for the delay too. Just copy this preset and that's the sauce. And here's what it sounds like. Just some classic TDF hats. Next we got just some standard claps, just pitch down. And next we got the snares and the perks. Just really standard, just really I'm just really doing letting the melody do the talking, and just the drums are there. And next we got the 808s. Really fat 808, really fat, yeah, just that. And next we got the Voxes, sound effects. Everyone loves these. You gotta add them. That's what makes a TDF beat a TDF beat. But here's what those sound like. You can really just find all these in a random kit. Just gotta look. And of course you gotta add your tag.
I love your kind. You.
And that's how you make a TDF beat. That's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, do all the above. Follow me on IG at iloveurkind, and also follow me on TikTok at iloveurkind. If you want to do labs, just email me at I'll just put it in the description. Email me. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed, and make sure to stay safe. I'll see you guys later.